Hey guys, this is your ODT expert. Today we'll be taking a look at the Outdoor Tech Chips Ultra. These are speakers for your helmet. Basically, they don't have any wires between them and they have a cool charging case. So we're gonna see what's inside this package. First thing that I wanna show you, they made a kind of cool design over here where you can see what's inside the box. You guys can see both chips and the charging box in there. And over here you guys can see that the chips are basically just like one touch for all the functions: to stop the music, answer your calls, call your personal assistant. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look over here to see on the other side on the box. So basically over here we have, again, no cords, no cables. They're just the chips. You don't have to have any cables between them or anything like that. They're hands-free. They have a great battery of 13 hours. They have your personal assistants over here. So you get Siri, OK Google. They're 40 millimeter speakers, so they will provide you with a nice, amazing sound while you're skiing. They're super comfortable and they function very well on low temperatures. I wanna emphasize on this because basically you will be taking them skiing. So that's very important that they keep working, right? So let's take a quick look to see what's inside the box. All right, guys, so this is basically what you will find inside the box of your Chips Ultra. So let's start with the chips. So you have the right one and the left one, the charging case, very important, a USB to micro USB cable to charge your case, which you will put in, you put the chips inside your case to charge them. You have instructions on how to reset them, how to pair them. You have also your user manual, your ODT swag over here with the sticker, just so you can use on your snowboard and whatever you want, basically. So let's take a look exactly how you will charge the Chips Ultra. All right, guys, so this is your charging case. You must just go ahead and open it up. Over here, you will see that you have a couple of like metal in the tooth over there, which you will need to kind of like make sure that you align with the little holes on the chips, right? So you kind of just like put them in there and give them a like a slight press in order to kind of fit them in there. So once that you actually go ahead and put them in, you will be able to see over there that they get a red light. That means that the chips are charging. I don't know if you can make it. Okay, there you go. So you get a red light once that the chips are charging. Once that they are fully charged, they will power off. And in order to charge your case, you need to go ahead and connect it to micro USB here. Let me show you guys. All right, guys, so even if you have your chips inside the charging case or not, this is basically what will charge your chips. So in order to charge your charging case, you just need to go ahead and plug them in over here, and you will get a light on the charging case, meaning that it's getting power. Once it is fully charged, the lights will go off, and that's the way to know that they're fully charged. So one more time, guys. So these are the Chips Ultra from Outdoor Tech. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you have a great day.